Welcome to the home of the Cooking Dad 242 and family. Today my wife and I will be showing you how we make banana bread pudding with banana bourbon sauce. Wild Turkey 101.
To the left, we have all of our ingredients. Slicing up a very ripe banana. We're going to use 2 of these.
2 long bananas.
2 long bananas. I want it to be spot.
Yeah, that's why we're cooking these right now.
Yeah. So if you have any bruised bananas, just cook them. I like to mash my bananas with sugar. It just makes it a lot easier, gets things going a lot faster. So that's a little tip there. You want to mash bananas, mash them with the sugar. Now I'm adding in my flavorings, my almond, vanilla, my evaporated cream. Yep, that's going to give this so much richness. Let me tell you, I am not a big fan of bread pudding, but this with our buttermilk bread recipe,
awesome.
I mean, I must say, it got me. It's that delicious. It got me. I'm a believer now. Delicious. So we're whisking in these eggs one by one, just to ensure that we don't have any bad eggs too. So yeah, that's those.
These are delicious homemade bread you made out of eggs.
Yeah, that's them there. I think that's what gives this recipe its kick, along with that bourbon sauce. And those slices are so thick. I just love that. I love it. I love the chewiness of the bread, and
it's good for soaking that too.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, so we're dipping this bread into the batter, and I like to set it aside for about 10 minutes. Now, after that, I'm coating it with some flour and just a little bit of cinnamon to season the flour. And I'm just lightly breading this because what I want to create is a crumb coat for my bread pudding. I don't want the sauce dripping all over the place.
Not too soggy.
Right, not too soggy. I'm going to get a nice crust on these bad boys. So I'm going to add that butter on top of that flour. It's going to melt. It's going to give me that crumbly crust that we all love when it comes to
brown topping.
That brown topping comes to bread pudding. He's getting ready to make his
bourbon sauce turkey 101.
That's the
wild turkey, the best stuff.
Is bourbon whiskey the same?
Yes.
It is? Oh,
yes.
Learn something
just
new
different
today.
origin.
Okay. So we start off with 2 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And we're going to add in that bourbon now.
Yeah.
We're just going to reduce this down.
That's some good stuff there.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
And you don't taste the alcohol in the finished product because the alcohol is cooked off.
Slightly you would taste some alcohol. That's a little bit. But 20%.
I mean, but I haven't noticed it. Does that make me an alcoholic?
Maybe.
Very funny. Very, very funny. Okay, so we're adding our sliced bananas. And that's it, guys. I mean, it's that simple. It's really that simple. You just simmer it for 10 minutes and serve.
There you go. I feel like we're in a restaurant now.
Man, it looks so good.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That's awesome. Good stuff.
Ow. That is good.
Thank you for watching the Cooking Dad 242 and family. Stay connected for more future videos.
Later, guys.